back at it, man. So look, though, I think God has been blessing me. I ain't gonna say think. I know He's been blessing me because that's what I prayed for. There's a lot of things that been happening in my life that's been supposed to happen. I won't say it's supposed, but I've been learning over the following 2 years, 2 to 3 years, what I've been praying for, and all my blessings just started happening all of a sudden, like in the spur of 3 days. I'm getting a little emotional because that's what I've been praying for. That's why I've been being patient for 3 years of my life, you know what I'm saying? So for myself, it's a big step for me, nobody else. I'm not here to impress nobody else, just let y'all know that. Big slatty. But the reason I've been posting so much because I just moved to my new apartment, you feel me? Just moved in. I ain't got everything set up, you feel me? But as of right now, oh boy, I've been busy, you feel me? So like y'all know, I'm a teacher in those city schools, but you know what I'm saying, we just got out of school. So after I got out of school, had to move in, now I got another surprise for y'all because God blessed me with another one. You feel me? And I'm really excited because that's my first purchase. So y'all boys stay locked in because I'm gonna show y'all 2 cars today. So stay locked in with your boy, Big Slatty A Milkman. We out. But look, boy, we got a surprise, boy. Got a good big surprise. They ho, boy. Can't lie to you, huh? New car coming soon. Yup. Big slime ball this big, man. So check it out, man. I'm gonna reveal what I got today, man. A little pop-up surprise. I didn't even know what I was gonna do. This is a blessing. So I blessed myself. Shit, well, we going back to back, man. We going back to back. What happened? Huh? Nah, man. Look, I'm really in a rush right now, so I'm finna get back to Dothan. Cause really, I just moved to my new spot. Feel me? So I didn't want to check in real quick down here at FIA. So she's your way, man. Keep locked in with me on another episode with me, man. And that right, Big Slimy? Big Slimy. Before all that happened. I was gonna say anyway. Cut again. You know, they keep interrupting the player. They should go again. I'm finna keep talking. But no. So God blessed me to move in my spot. Man, I got a testimony about that. But moving my spot and blessed me with another car. So everybody know about this. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know about this one right here. This the Dodge GT. I put so much work into it, man. Man, this crazy how everything happened. So introducing the new baby. So now with this one, I almost got hit, y'all. But with this one right here, this is a Dodge 5.7, basically a Dodge RT. So with this one right here, came fully loaded. Only thing about it didn't have a sunroof. That's about it. Other things, same car, same color and everything, just a different motor. And I got, let me see, we'll open up the door for y'all. Alright, Alcantara seats, everything. That's that little sway with the leather on the side. You know what I'm saying? Then they heated and cooled seats, basically fully loaded with everything. So that's the big difference in both of them, motor and the interior wise. Other than that, this one's still my baby. You feel me? But we finna make this big perk right here, you hear me? Big slatty moves, man. Y'all stay locked in. We're gonna give y'all, that's the before we put everything on there. So just stay locked in with me. Checking back in with y'all, boy, man. They goddamn hot in the anyway, I'm finna let y'all see what's going on. I'm gonna put my original rims that I had on my old car on my new one. So before y'all even see it, I'll probably get it lower again. I don't know yet, but let me let y'all go and see that thing. Look better. I like the black rims on it. You give me that instead of that aloe look that's over there. I like that one better. But the black rim, I love the Daytona 392 rim, 275 way round. I'm finna put some nuts on there, but I'll let y'all see at the end. What you finna do with it, boy?
I'm gonna go slow, you feel me? If he got a little speed to him, I'm gonna put the V8 on him.
Oh, that's them V8?
Yeah. I was flanking him if I do that. I don't want to do
You finna be a race.
What we racing for?
Young thugger through with them goddamn. But them my Nikes! What? That boy got on my Nikes. No, his corn hurting in that, man.
Oh no, that's too far.
That too far, ain't it? Where y'all going?
You got time to catch it?
Hell no, I don't need time.
Alright, come on. I come on, son. Nah,
You ready?
man. Y'all know I got bad knees, bro. For real.
Yeah, he had surgery.
God, bro. I got 100 on myself. Hold on.
Oh, man.
J. Neal, you said you got 200 on me. Yeah, come on. 100 on myself.
Hey, look, there ain't no try it out. I'm racing this nigga one time and it's over.
Bro, you got the scat, bro. Come on.
Come on, guys.
Bro, hell no, girl. Do it like that, no. What you want? Y'all want me to say go or what?
Yeah.
Just go.
When you mark, you say go.
All right. Say go.
The battle of the big guys.
I won, though. I won. Did I
not win?
You lost.
He said it look like Jay White running. B, bro, he calling you back out, cuz.
What happened, bro? What happened, bro?
When I pulled
Man, we can't get the thing right.
Oh, that what you said?
You just ain't get that though.
when I pulled out
Yeah.
that's why I stopped. He said, where you going?
Why you ain't pat on that nigga?
Cuz he ain't me.
Patted on his ass. Pat. I had it.